In this video, we're going to be going over cloud drawings, like this image of the cloud skull right here, which was one of my more popular Instagram posts. So let's get into it. I'm going to launch Stipple. Pro tip, if you click the Stipple emblem, you can load faster. I'm going to skip the start menu and just hit start drawing. And then click the image controls. And for the cloud drawings, I like to use a cloud background. And so I'm going to load that. And I'm going to reposition that by clicking the reposition button. Next, I'm going to load a draw image, and just in case you haven't watched the basic videos, if you click on the image slot that you want, and then click on the thumbnail, it'll load the gallery, and you can pick your source images that way. Load a skull. I'm going to reposition this a little bit too, and I'm going to mirror it. You can mirror it with this mirror button. All right. Next, what you're going to want to do is toggle your gradient slider on your levels. And what this will do is now we're drawing the light spots of the image as opposed to drawing the dark spots of the image as Stipple defaults do. From here, let's go to our color menu. Pick white, turn the opacity way down, and turn the hardness way down also. So it should look, your controls should look like that. And next, go to your dot size, and let's make our dot size big. Move both sliders to the right, like you see here, and we'll keep the density at default. So now if we start drawing, it starts to draw the image in clouds. Once we get a little bit on here, I'll hide the source image, and you can hide the source image by clicking the ghost looking icon on the bottom right hand menu, on the bottom right hand corner. And as we draw, you'll see the skull starts to take shape. If you make the brush size bigger, you can get more dots on there at once. And if we use smaller dots, we can get more and more detail in there. Again, so since we have the opacity down pretty low, the dots come in pretty faint. So you'll want to just keep redrawing over parts until you get it looking the way you want to. I find the bigger the dot size for the cloud drawing, the better. The small dots, although you do get some cool detail, kind of takes away from the cloudiness of the image altogether. So that pretty much covers the basics. If you look at my Instagram feed, you'll see some fire drawings. They're drawn in a similar way. I just usually use I'll use a red to start, a red dot color, and then I'll switch to an orange dot color and then a yellow dot color. And each time it adds a more and more fiery look to it. And then I usually go over it with white at the end to give it some pop. I'm sure all the graphic designers love hearing the word pop when it comes to design. All right, well, this covers the basics. I'll probably make a fire video or something at some point, but the cloud video get you started. Thanks for watching.